Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing the side panel so you can work safely. Once done, ground yourself to avoid static damage and unplug the PSU from the wall. Next, disconnect any 6-pin or 8-pin GPU power connectors and unscrew the card's bracket screws. Press the PCIe slot latch and prepare to slide the card out. You do this first because it exposes the GPU and clears access for removal, saving time and preventing forced pulls later on. You now remove the old card by holding its edges and pulling straight back. Don't wiggle or torque the board because that stresses the slot. Once out, inspect the slot and backplate for dust. Clean if needed. Align the replacement GPU with the PCIe X16 slot and push evenly until you hear or feel the latch click. After seating, reattach the bracket screws to the case so the board won't sag, and plug in the correct PSU connectors to supply stable power. You finish by reconnecting power and monitor cables, then power on and watch for post. Once booted, install the vendor's latest drivers so Windows recognizes the card and updates firmware if needed. Make sure to check Device Manager and a temperature readout tool to confirm proper operation. If the system fails to boot, shut down, reseat the card and cables, try another PSU cable or slot, and ensure the motherboard BIOS is up to date. This single troubleshooting step solves most no-post issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.